Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel. Today I will tell you about one of Indian universities got started CSC scholarship admissions. Let's start. So you must type cscguideofficial.com in Google, and after typing cscofficial.com, cscguideofficial.com, click on the first link. After clicking on the first link, you can come here and get everything which you want regarding CSC scholarship. If you want to if you are facing problem to making your documents for CSC scholarship, you can click here. Click on CSC scholarship admissions. When you click on CSC scholarship admissions, all the universities which started their CSC scholarship, you can find it like Nanchang University, South Hohai University, and these kind of things. So we can today we discuss Southeast University. Click on Southeast University. This is very best opportunity, very good opportunity for yourself, for you. You don't miss this. If you this university also have university scholarship as well, so if you want to apply on university scholarship, so stay connected with me. I will tell you. Chinese authority is Chinese government scholarship, and Southeast University China means if you type in Google Southeast University, then another university is open. So this is not Southeast University. If you type Southeast University China, then you will get the accurate university. So category is master and PhD students, bachelor students cannot apply in this university. Fully funded scholarship, everything is free. 3000 RMB for master, 3500 RMB for PhD students. Online apply and no need to send hard copies. Wuhan, it's keep in my mind. So my mind is so application deadline is 31st of March 2020. Eligibility criteria is all international students can apply. Age limits for 35 years for master and PhD. For PhD it's 40 years. English proficiency certificate is enough for applying you if you are applying for CS scholarship and university scholarship as well. CSC scholarship. How to apply for this scholarship? If you before starting this, I will show you something, which is if you want to check how many students selected in last year on CSC and university scholarship. You click on CSC scholarship results. When you click on CSC scholarship results, you can get every university, mostly universities, the university is showing result on their website. So will be uploaded winner list of Chongqing University and Wuhan University, okay, and Southeast University. So we'll and other universities also available: Chang'an University, DUT, and Beijing Jiaotong University, and these kind of things. So click on Southeast University. So I will tell you how many students they selected last year. This is the list of batch for first batch of new students CSE scholarships. So how many? This is the first list. In first list they select 40 students, and in the second list they select 40 students as well. So it means it's a total 80 students selected on CSC scholarships. It's a huge number of amount if you as compared to other universities. Some universities select 18 students, some 20, and some of the 30 and 40. Okay, so this university select 40 students on CSC scholarship, and for this is the list of the CSC scholarship, university scholarship, Southeast University university scholarship. These are the CSC scholarship, and this is the university scholarship, and these are the two list, first list, and this is the second list. Okay, and this one is the third list. In the second list you can count this number how many. So if you the main benefit of this university, if you apply on CSC scholarship, unfortunately CSC scholarship you cannot get CSC scholarship, then they automatically give you offer you CSC university scholarship. Okay, and this is the third list. In third list this is select. If you want to check other scholarships like CSC scholarship study in Australia and list of documents required for CSC scholarship, other scholarship, you can check here. Okay, now came to the point. The point is how you apply for this scholarship. So you just fill CSC online application form. No need to fill university portal. No application fee, and the result maybe they announced at the end of July. And this is the mailing address on which you send your documents. So a little bit confusion in mailing address, because on their official website they don't mention CSC scholar. They don't mention their university address. So postal address, mailing address. So that's why this is the mailing address of the last year which they last year of CSC scholarship which they announced. So, and I copy this link from their official website. This is the official website, and College of International Students 19 number 19, and this Junction Street, and these things. Okay, so this is the mailing address, and I also mail to the if you want to get more information about this, you can mail to the this university admission at southeast.edu.cn, and admission affairs is you can call to them and ask from them on which address we send your documents, we send our documents to your university. And this is the online okay. No, it's clear. No, because I don't give you any wrong information, so everything which is in my mind I will tell you. So clear. Click here to apply on CSC portal, how you fill the CSC application form. So click here, video in English you can watch. Okay, no need to apply on university portal. Required documents, how much documents required is all the documents required in duplicate, means 2 sets of documents. And first is the CSC application form, highest 2 CSC application form in 2 copies. Okay, 2 copies means 1 copy is in other set and 1 copy is in other set. All these documents make 2 sets of all the documents. One document set is separated from another documents, means 2 different set. Okay, highest degree, if you don't have a highest degree, you can provide them hope certificate. If you don't get your highest degree yet, because you have only transcript, then you must submit your provisional certificate from your university. Okay, transcript of highest education study or research plan not less than 1800 words, not recommendation letter, 2 recommendation letter from professors and associate professors, not from assistant and professor and lecturer. Passport copy, physical examination form photocopy, English proficiency certificates. IELTS is not mandatory, acceptance letter, it's optional, not necessary. Other documents, the CD for own works required for art students only. Okay, these are the things. And now came to the point, and we can go to the Southeast University CSC sponsored official announcement. This is the official announcement. You can copy this link, csc.su.edu.cn. okay, when you click when you copy and paste on this, you can come on this page. Okay, these are the things which I tell you already. So you can check here some on this place. You can see this is the address of Chinese Scholarship Council, but no one can send your documents to the CS Chinese Government Scholarship directly, because they mention that application form for Chinese government Chinese higher institution are supposed to send photocopies of the application materials, including application form for Chinese government scholarship, higher diploma, and foreign physical examination form, and list of accepted students, admission notice, and visa application form for study in China, JW 2012 CSC, means first university selects, and then they send your documents to the to CSC. Okay, I hope you can get it. Okay, on to CSC by May 31 2020. Okay, you can everything will be clear, and no one can apply individually, means you cannot send your documents individually to the CSC. You send your documents to the university, and university will finalize the students, and then will send the list of the scholarship candidates to the university. So now came to the point, Southeast, this university have 2 another scholarship, but I will discuss today. We will discuss Southeast University university scholarship. Okay, because I will make a complete video on those universities who's offering municipal scholarship, the provisional scholarship, and university scholarship. So don't worry about this. So in this university on this video we will discuss only Southeast scholarship. So how much the scholarship which they give on university scholarship, you can click here and go to the values. The values is 1700 RMB per month. Okay, for PhD students, and 1400 RMB per month for master students, means it's enough for living those students whose background is from middle class. Okay, everything is free, accommodation is free, medical insurance free, books, learning, all these things. First category full scholarship, second category partial scholarship. Okay, and 1700 RMB is enough, because students, my brother and other students says that our monthly expenses is only just 5 to 6 to 700 RMB. Okay, if you want to want to save your money, you can. If you want to enjoy and go to the club and doing other things, other wrong activities, then it's not enough for you. So if you are a good person, then it's enough for you. So these are the things, and these are the things which I tell you. Okay, Southeast University Scholarship for CSC applicants, they clearly mention on their website, if you not get CSC scholarship, if you fail to obtain CSC scholarships through Southeast University, you will be automatically recommended as applicants for Southeast University International Student Scholarship. Means you are automatically, you can get this scholarship automatically, they offer. Okay, on now the application form, click on the application form and you can get it. This is a very simple form. Fill your name, paste your photo, and fill your other information. All these, this is the basic form. Financial support will be provided by university Southeast University Scholarship. You can type and or Southeast University. Okay, and print out this and sign this, or you can type the date and send your other all documents which you send to CSC. If you want to get additional, means if you only apply for only Southeast University Scholarship, then you can fill this form, print out this form, and all other documents which you mention on the website for CSC scholarship. These are the documents, except CSC online application form. If you must attach Southeast University form instead of CSC online application form, and all the other documents attached with the with this form, and 2 copies of these documents, and send it to the university postal address. Okay, so these are the thing which you want to get. And if you want to get other information, like how to apply for Chinese government scholarship and CSC scholarship results. If you want to get other countries scholarships, then click here. List of CSC universities with faculty link and all other things. So these are the things. So students says me, why you make a video in English? Because your English is not purely good, because you are not an Englishman. So that's why why you make English videos. So I says to them, I make video for those students who's seeking and seeking for the videos in English. So for English user, if you like my videos in English, or if you think that you must carry your videos in English, then I will make. Otherwise I don't have any idea because I make video on this or not. So please comment. English user must comment your opinions that maybe either I make videos in English or not. So good luck and take care of yourself, and we met in the next video with new scholarships. Good luck and take care of you.